Today we will be making cheesecake bites. First, blend the graham crackers into a blender, and then pour into a bowl.
Cocaine?
Cocaine.
Are you sure about that?
Yes.
Then pour in the white stuff and the yellow stuff, also known as powdered sugar and melted butter. It will look like a mess, but trust the process, and then take a spoon or your hands and blend it together. It should start to look like sand, sorry Anakin, and that's a consistency you want, or a very dry poo. Take about 1 or 2 spoonfuls and press firmly into the cupcake cup holder thing. That's a lot of words. Spilling it outside the cupcake cup is optional but not recommended. The bottom of your cups should look like this, and onto the filling. You will need some cream cheese, 2 eggs,
Sugar.
some salt for those salty players out there, some vanilla extract. If you don't have any, you can use lemon.
Don't forget to add a healthy dose of red crayon.
Why? I guess that's optional. Moving on, blend all the ingredients.
I have made a mistake.
Mistake.
If blending does not work, just whisk it together. Then take a small ice cream scooper and scoop your goop into the cups. Bake for 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Let them cool for about 10 minutes and enjoy.